Hello, Chicky. Hello, children. Great. Blow a kiss to Chicky. Hug, Chicky, hug. Wave hello to Chicky. Hello. Very good. Say, I love you, Chicky. I love you. Great. Okay, here now. Let's sing the song Hello.
The Hello Chicky song 1.
Hello, Chicky. Monkey, monkey. Hello, Chicky. We love you. Hello, Chicky. Monkey, monkey. Hello, Chicky. A kiss for you. Very good. Great. Okay. Let's meet with Chicky's friends today. Okay, Chicky's friends. Okay. Let's learn about farm animals. Look. What animal is it? Can you look? Yes, very good. It's a horse. Very good. Horse. Horse. It's a horse. Repeat. It's a horse. Very good. Horse. Okay, what does the horse says? Neigh, neigh, neigh. Neigh, neigh, neigh. The horse says neigh, neigh, neigh. Very good. Horse. That's right. It's a horse. Okay, here we go. Look at this. What is it? It's a sheep. Very good. It's a sheep. That's right. It's a sheep. It's a sheep. It's a sheep. 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 Very good. Sheep. What's the color of the sheep? Great. The sheep is white. White sheep. Sheep. Very good. Great. Okay, very good. Sheep. That's right. Here we go. Okay, look. Now please tell me here now. What is it? Duck. Very good. It's a duck. 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 It's a duck. 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 What does the duck says? The duck says quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Duck, duck, duck. Says quack, quack, quack. Very good. It's a duck. Very good. Duck. That's right. Okay. Look at this. What is it? What do you think? Let's look. What is it? Great. It's a dog. Dog. Very good. It's a dog. It's a dog. Dog, dog, dog. Dog, dog, dog. It's a dog. Okay, very good. Dog says woof, woof, woof. The dog says woof, woof, woof. Woof, woof, woof. It's a dog. Very good. Dog. Woof, woof, woof. Great. It's a dog. Very, very good. Okay. Here we go. Look, look, look at this. Here now. Look. What is it? What animal is it? It's a cow. Very good. Yes, that's right. It's a cow. Very good. Cow. Cow. That's right. It's a cow. Moo. Moo. It's a What's the color of the cow? Great. The cow is black and white. Yes, black and white color, yes? Okay, what does the cow says? The cow says moo, moo, moo. Very good. It's a cow. That's right. It's a cow. Okay, and the last one picture left. Look. What is it? What animal is it? Yes, it's a pig. Pigs here, yes? Big mommy pig and baby pigs are there, yes? Pig, big mommy pig and small baby pigs. Pigs, these are pigs. Pigs, okay. What do pigs say? Oink, oink, oink. Oink, oink, oink. That's right. The mommy pig says oink, oink, oink. Oink, oink, oink. That's right. Pigs. Yes? How many pigs we have here? Let's count the pigs. Let's count. 1, 2, 3 pigs. Yes, that's right, pigs. Very good. Here we go. Okay, here we go. Now, let's try to guess what animal is it? What do you think is here? What do you think? Okay, let's draw the ear. And let's try to guess what animals fit here. Is it a cow? No. Is it a dog? No. Is it a farmer? No, it's not a farmer. Look at this. Okay, here we go. What the shape is it? Yes, very good. It's a sheep. Very good. It's a sheep. Okay. So let's pin the sheep. We have to match correctly. Yes. It's a sheep. Sheep. Okay. Here we go. Okay. Here now, let's try to guess the next animal. Okay. What is it now? What do you think? Is it a cat? No. Is it a farmer? No. Is it a horse? Horse? No. Is it a pig? No. Okay. What is it? What I'm drawing? Very good. It's a cow. Very good. It's a cow. That's right. Okay. Here we go. Let's match the cow here. Oh, not very good. Match it here. Something like that. Okay. Here it is. The cow. Okay, great. Here we go. Okay, what comes next? Let's try to guess the next animal. What is it now? Do you know it? Yes? What is it? It's a sheep? No. It's a cow? No. It's a pig? No. Is it a dog? No. What is it? Let's look. What is it? Very good. Yes, it's a cow. Okay, I haven't a cow here. It's a cow. cow. That's right. It's a cow. That's right. Okay. Here we go. Okay, the next animal. Let's spin the next one. Okay, here we go. What is it now? What do you think is here? What do you think? Is it a dog? No. Is it a farmer? No. Is it a duck? Duck? Quack, quack, quack? No. Okay, great. Here, what is it? It's a... Look at this. What is it? It's a pig. Yes, that's right, you guess. It's a pig. It's a pig. Very good. Pig. Okay, what left? Here we go. What is it now? I think it's easy to guess. What is it now? Look at this beak. Is it a pig? Pig? No. Is it a sheep? No. Okay, here we go. Is it a farmer? No. No, that's right. Great. Okay, here we go. Okay, let's look at this. Here now. What is it? It's a duck. That's right. It's a duck. Very good. Okay, the cow is here. The cow is here. Okay. Here now. Okay, what missing? What missing? What do you think is here now? What will be now? Okay, look at this. What do you think will be now? Is it a cat? No. Is it a sheep? No. Is it a farmer? No, that's right. It's not a farmer. That's right. Look. What is it? It's a dog. Very good. Dog. Woof, woof, woof. It's a dog. Very good. Okay. And here now. Do you know? What is it? It's a farmer. That's right. It's a farmer. Farmer is here. Farmer's here. That's right. Okay, where we can pin it, the farmer. Okay. Farmer is here. Yes, Farmer Brown. That's right. Farmer Brown, sheep, pig, cow, dog, duck. Very good. Great. Do you remember the song, Farmer Brown? Yes? Okay, let's sing the song with me. Farmer Brown has a farm, E-I-E-I-O. On the farm there is a sheep, ba, 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 ba. E-I-E-I-O. On the farm there is a pig, E-I-E-I-O. On the farm there is a cow, moo, 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 moo. On the farm there is a dog, woof, 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 woof. E-I-E-I-O. On the farm there is a duck, quack, 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 quack. E-I-E-I-O. Farmer Brown has a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Okay, very good. Here we go. So let's say bye-bye, animals. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Farmer Brown. Bye-bye. Bye-bye,